A lot of people seem interested in PLTR, Palantir Technologies. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly, but I just looked at the chart, and I'm just going to give you my Elliot wave count on it. Let's go out here to the daily time frame, and we can actually probably go to the weekly actually. So this looks like a 5-wave move, pretty standard 5-wave move right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We bounce and go lower. So I have this labeled as A right here. When you're going to the downside, it's normally going to be ABC. And then we do make a new low, but you can see right here that this is not an impulsive move. So I would label this A, B, and it would be an expanded flat. We already know it's an expanded flat because we've already broken above the high of the A wave. And then this right here is very explosive, so it's probably a third wave. And so I'm looking at this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As far as the target goes, expanded flats can go to the 1.23 fib or the 1.61 fib, but we know the third wave is only right here, so most likely the fifth wave is going to go higher. So my target would be here at 1782. That would end up being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here. And so the whole thing would end up being A, B, C. But this overall thing would be A, B. And so that means it still has to make one more low. So, I mean, people might get mad at me saying this. They expect this to just fly here. But I don't think the bottom is in. You don't start a new uptrend with this kind of move. And so there has to be a new low here. And the best spot that looks like it could go to is probably the 1.23 fib, because again, the 1.61 fibs down here at 193. Unless the market severely crashed, that's probably not even possible. But the 1.23 fib is at $4. It was recently at $6, so that's a pretty good target right there. So the entire move would be A, B, C, and then it should be able to start a new uptrend, an actual impulsive move. And this goes along with all my other charts for timing-wise. IWM. If I pull up IWM here, zoom in here on the daily. So 5-wave move. We got A. We have A, B, and I'm looking for the C wave down here. So that doesn't necessarily tie in with the move right here if it goes down to 160, but the next move does. The next move is back up here to 200, and that should allow it, if it comes down here, to come back up here to about $18. And then that's the high for me for IWM. And I'm looking for A, B, and a C wave down here somewhere. As far as targets go, remains to be seen, but it could go as low as probably somewhere around like 120 is as far low as I think it could go. So that's just an update on PLTR. More upside if you're a bull. This is pretty bullish right now. Third wave right here. Actually, I think it might be a third wave of a third wave here. So there might be a little bit more upside, and that might adjust the target, but look for a pullback and then around $18 for a high of this B wave, and that would pull it back completely to around the 0.5 fib, which is pretty standard for a B wave. And then I'm expecting the whole market to have a significant sell-off and the bear market to be reignited, in which most growth stocks are going to see their lows over the last couple of years. This one I would target 406. So anyway, that's just an update, Elliot wave on this stock. Pretty popular stock right now. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will be making some other videos here soon. So check them out. Have a good night.